Hey Primary 6 Foundation Math Prodigy, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 4 of your assessment paper number 7. This question is a simple question. It uses the same exact concept I taught you in the past 2 papers, so please reinforce this in your mind, okay? It says yesterday a ferry took 245 passengers across a river. The ferry took 18 passengers on each trip, except for the last trip. The question says A, how many trips did the ferry make yesterday, and B, how many passengers were in the ferry on the last trip. So let's think of it very logically. First off, there were 245 passengers which the ferry took. So 245 people. Ding. Okay, and on each trip, so I'm going to draw a ship here. I'm going to try to draw a ship. Okay, a purple ship for some weird reason. A ferry, sorry. Okay, a ferry. Okay, this is a very bad ferry. Okay, every ferry ride is actually consists of 18 people. So the question is asking you how many trips did it make. Okay, for this question is simply a concept of division. So 245 people, each group there is 18. My question is how many groups are there? 245 divided by 18 gives you the answer 13.6111. 13.6111. Okay, now here's the thing that I don't want you to do. I don't want you to put in the 0.6111. Okay, I want you to put what's it called? I want you to do the answer. So 245, I want to do the division divided by 18. So you don't have to actually do it by yourself again. Just put in the answer 13. All you want to do is you want to find out how many remainder do we have. So you want to find out what's 13 times 18 first. So that's 234. Okay, then you get minus, you get 11 people. Okay, therefore 13 remainder 11. 13 remainder 11. So you put that 245 divided by 18 gives you 13 remainder 11. So how many trips did it make? It made 13 plus another 1, because the last one, remember, the last one is actually a trip, but it's just with less people. So 13 plus 1 gives you 14 for part A. The answer for part A is 14. And for part B, the question is asking you how many passengers were in the ferry on the last trip. The answer is simply 11. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, if you want to find out, if this question comes out for the problem sums, or you must write down 18 times 13 gives me 245. And then the next part, what you want to do is take 245 minus 234, which gives you 11, and that's why you have 11 on the last trip. So one common mistake that people always make is that they say the answer here is 13. But remember, on the last trip there is another 11 people, so the answer is 13 plus 1, which gives you 14. And I think in the class I forgot to mention this to you. Alright? And that is the answer. If you got that one right, I'm gonna give you a big high five because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, so that brings me to the quote of the week, and the quote of the week is don't force it, reinforce it. Okay, I know some of you might be struggling with this concept of division, which you shouldn't be, but of course I want you to not to force it. I want you to reinforce it over and over again, which is why I keep coming out with the same type of questions every single week until you get it, because this type of questions will come out for your PSLE. So like I said, don't force it, just keep reinforcing it, repeat it over in your mind, play it in your mind, and after a while your mind will just click. And with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.